Welcome back to my vlog. Today we're going to be making a pumpkin soup. I've already got all my prep done, so I'll be just assembling it in the pot and cooking it. Hope you enjoy this. Let's begin. We got an empty pot here. Add a little oil. Not too much. A little bit. Get the pan hot. Once it gets hot enough, we'll add the onions, some other stuff. Okay. The oil's getting warmed up. We're gonna add the onions with that skin. And I'm gonna about 3/4 of onion. I got some thyme and oregano chopped up. Add that. We're gonna take some whole peppercorns, about a teaspoon or so. And some garlic powder. Just a touch of chili flakes. Yeah. Cook these up down until they get nice and soft. Then we add some of our other ingredients. Good. Getting the onions beginning soft right about now. We're going to have the chopped up roasted pumpkin. A little bit of white wine. We're going to lid it for, and that's wrong with. That's it. Where all that gets cooked until it absorbs all that goodness. I'm going to put some broth. About a little bit of water. We'll let it cook down. Take about 30 minutes or so to cook down. We're going to cook them until the pumpkin gets nice and soft. So it'll be easy to smash them, mash them. Ideally, I would use an immersion blender to blend it all together, but I do not have one in my arsenal of kitchen tools yet, so just gonna have to make do. not quite ready. It's getting there. Sure smells good. You may have seen I've changed the pot so I could put a lid on it. Let's do a pre-mash so it cooks a little bit faster. But like I said, it'd be best if I had an immersion blender, also known as a handheld blender. Some may call it a boat motor. But if you saute up the pumpkin, it has a very similar taste to butternut squash. If you're wondering why I didn't show me doing all the prep, is I was cutting it up so I could store it in the freezer until I need it. I accidentally or not accidentally cut it all up before I even thought about making a vlog of this. But let it cook for a few more minutes. I'd say about 10 more minutes and should be ready to go. Okay, it's ready to come off the stove. Normally, you may want to put some heavy cream in here before you use an immersion blender. Blend it all up, but we don't have either of those, so we'll go with what we got. Portion, move it, the soup from the heat. We're going to garnish this with just a dab of nutmeg. Garnish would be more striking if I had cream, but hey, we work with what we got. Now it comes with real test. See how well it tastes. Remember, always blow on your hot soup so you don't burn your tongue. Learned that countless times. Actually, it's pretty good. I like it. Well, there you go. Pumpkin soup. Never be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. You never know what you like until you experiment. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something from it. Till the next one. Peace.